Good morning, students. Myself, Sapna Gautam, science teacher, Sarvit Kari Vidya Mandir, Fazilka. Students, I am your science teacher. Today I will you tell about chapter 1 of science, crop production and management. So students, let's start our chapter. First of all, I will tell you about crop. What is crop? Crop means same plants grow on a large scale on a large scale at the same place same plants grow on a large scale at same place known as crop. उसे हम crop कहते हैं. For example, wheat crop means plants grown in a field that are of wheat. So students, when plants of same kind are cultivated on a large scale at one place, at same place, known as crop. So there is two type of crops according to season: kharif crop and rabi crop. Kharif crop and rabi crop. If we talk about kharif crop, crops which are sown in rainy season, crops which are sown in rainy season known as kharif crops, like paddy, maize, soyabean, etc. And if we talk about rabi crops, the crops which are grown in the winter season, like wheat, gram, pea, etc. So basic practices of crop production. What is meant by basic practices? क्रॉप प्रोडक्शन का मतलब है कि देयर आर सम एग्रीकल्चरल प्रैक्टिसेस by which crops are prepared for harvesting and storage. Or there are many steps in agricultural practices. तो activities or tasks which are occurred by farmers to grow their crops known as agricultural practices, like first, preparation of soil. So this is the first step of crop production, preparation of soil. How soil is prepared in field? Let's see. So first of all, this is the first step, important task in agriculture, is to turn the soil and loosen it. First of all, turn and loosen the soil. सबसे पहले सॉइल को टर्न करते हैं, लूज करते हैं, so that roots so that roots can penetrate into soil easily. Roots can penetrate into soil easily. The loose soil allow the roots to breathe easily, and helps in the growth of earthworms, some microbes, and these organisms are friends of farmer and add humus to it. They add humus to it. So process of loosening or turning the soil. Loosening or turning the soil, known as tilling. Or plowing. Tilling or plowing. Tilling and plowing is done by plow. प्लो होते हैं हल, दैट आर मेड ऑफ वुड और आयरन. किसके बने होते हैं? वुड और आयरन के बने होते हैं. इससे सॉइल को लूज किया जाता है और प्रोसेस को बोलते हैं टिलिंग एंड प्लोइंग. टिलिंग और प्लोइंग. और प्लोज होते हैं वो एक तरह का टूल होता है, इम्प्लीमेंट, दैट इज मेड अप ऑफ वुड और आयरन एंड यूज्ड for the tilling. Okay, the plowed field may have big clumps of soil known as crumbs. Crumbs means big particles of soil, and these big particles of soil are crushed by plank. Plank is tool which is used to crush the crumbs. Crumbs means big particles of soil, and with the help of leveler, leveling is occur. Leveling of soil occurs with the help of level. These are tools that helps to level the soil. Okay, leveling the field beneficial for sowing. Leveling the soil is beneficial for sowing as well as irrigation. So these are main steps that follow in the preparation of soil. Second step है sowing. Sowing means putting healthy seeds, putting seeds into field for production of crop, known as sowing. There are healthy seeds or damaged seeds, so we can first of all identify what are healthy seeds and identify seeds and healthy seeds or damaged seeds by an activity like, first of all, we take a water in a glass or beaker and put some seeds into it. If they are float on the top of the water, then we can say these are damaged seeds. These are damaged seeds and which are sink So which are sink at the bottom? They are healthy seeds. We can select the seeds by this activity and then putting seeds into the field known as sowing. Sowing seeds is occurred by the traditional tool like funnel like shape this is traditional tool, and in the earlier times seeds are put into this funnel like shape tool. Seeds are filled into the funnel and passed down through 2 or 3 pipes having sharp edges. इसमें 2-3 पाइप्स होते हैं जिसमें शार्प एजेस होते हैं और सीड इस तरह से सॉइल में डाल दिया जाता है. और बट दिस मेथड इज़ नॉट वेरी गुड because if seeds are very close to each other then they compete with sunlight, air, water. So they have to sow at the some distance पर इन्हें उगाना चाहिए, इन्हें डालना चाहिए ताकि जो प्लांट्स हैं so that plants get proper air, water and warmth for growth. So modern method, if we talk about modern method, then in the modern time seed drill is used for sowing the seeds, and seed drill is used for sowing with the help of tractors. They sow the seeds uniformly at equal distance, and this protects seeds from being eaten by birds. Sowing by seed drills saves time and labor because it is tractor driven, और इससे हम टाइम और लेबर दोनों को बचा सकते हैं. And third step is adding manure and fertilizer. So third step is adding manure and fertilizer. By the step adding manure and fertilizer, first of all, what is meant by manure and fertilizer? The substances which are added to the soil in the form of nutrients. The substances added to soil in the form of nutrients for the healthy growth of plants. For the healthy growth of plants is called manure and fertilizer. सॉयल मिनरल न्यूट्रिएंट्स सप्लाई करती है। सॉयल में मिनरल्स एंड न्यूट्रिएंट्स होते हैं दैट सप्लाइज न्यूट्रिएंट्स एंड मिनरल्स टू क्रॉप प्लांट्स एंड दीज न्यूट्रिएंट्स एसेंशियल फॉर ग्रोथ ऑफ प्लांट्स। सो कंटिन्यूस जब कल्टिवेशन होता है क्रॉप्स का, देन दे मेक द सॉयल पुअर इन न्यूट्रिएंट्स। व्हेन कॉन्टिन्यूस प्लांटेशन होता है, कॉन्टिन्यूस प्लांटेशन makes poorer cultivation of crops or plantation makes soil poorer in nutrients। उनमें न्यूट्रिएंट्स की कमी हो जाती है जब हम लगातार कल्टीवेशन करते हैं। सो फार्मर्स have to add manure and fertilizer to the soil for the healthy growth of plants. This process is called manuring. This process is called manuring. When one crop is produced after the other crop in the same field, then known as crop rotation. Then known as crop rotation. Okay. So this can be done by growing different crops alternatively. And what is fertilizer and manure? What is difference between them? Fertilizer is man-made. Fertilizer is man-made inorganic salt. Inorganic salt यानी ये केमिकल चीज़ों से बनता है। And manure is natural substance. Is natural substance which is made by decomposition of cattle dung or plant residues. Plant residues. Fertilizers are prepared in factories. Prepared in factories, and these are prepared in fields. ये कहाँ प्रिपेयर होते हैं? फील्ड्स में. Fertilizers does not provide humus to soil, and manure provides a lot of humus to soil. Fertilizers are very rich in plant nutrients, and they are less rich in plant nutrients. So students, we have discussed today from first chapter crop, what are type of crops and what are agricultural practices like preparation of soil and sowing, adding manure and fertilizer, and what is difference between manure and fertilizer. So students, we have discussed all things from chapter 1, and we will discuss next topics of chapter 1 in next video. So thanks, have a nice day.